Want ChatGPT to keep talking even when you open the other apps or turn off your screen? Let me show you how to enable or disable background conversations on your Samsung Galaxy A56. Open the ChatGPT app on your phone. Tap the menu icon to open the sidebar. Tap your profile name. Scroll down the screen and tap voice. Find the option called background conversation. The settings allow ChatGPT to keep the conversation going even you switch to other app or when your screen is off. Turn it on, simple enable to talk, or to turn off, tap again. If you prefer ChatGPT to stop when you leave the app, you can disable this toggle. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable background conversation in ChatGPT on your Samsung Galaxy A56. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.